I don't know what the last thing you've seen is, but yeah, it's been really bitty. But we're just gonna go another walk to Savtat, and that's fucking gross. The forecast for tonight is thunderstorms. I don't know if you can see that. That looks really thunderstormy. So yeah, there was a bit of rain today. While the sun was out, it was really weird. The clouds were like really wispy, but it was like kind of pouring, and it rained last night. But I'm just hoping that I get at least half a day of sun tomorrow, because when you're out for a week you want to have sun the whole week. And I'm going for a little no makeup look tonight. I put a little bit of bronzer and highlighter on, but I can't be bothered. And then I've got a cute little a little place it on that I wasn't vibing, but I said he liked it, so that's all that matters. You're so tall that I like when I turn it. Like, this is what happens when I turn it at my level. My head's out of it. But yeah, we're just, by the way, I think the wind's picking up. It's starting to look really stormy, isn't it? Yeah, Stormy, you look like mommy, baby.
What was that?
Kylie Jenner. That's what she says. There's a wee guy that kept doing donuts on his jet ski down there. Oh yeah, we made some friends, didn't we?
I'm wondering, are they taking the boats in?
Are they taking the stuff in because it's to be choppy?
No.
How did they get the boats up though? Because that's, is that
them in the corner.
what, like tying them up, do you think? This is not looking good. Listen, if the seagulls are flocking away, that's rain, Isaac. Oh well, it'd be funny if we get caught in the rain. Yeah, we made some friends and we had drinks with them last night. They're really nice, so that's cute. And we chill with them at the pool and stuff. He's gone awfully slow.
That's the fastest it goes.
Oh, why is that boat so slow though? Should I pee and then we should go?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna pee. And I'll add in some clips from our trip. We're gonna get some ice cream. Oh, you bastard!
What's this?
I got that as well, but I didn't see it was a fork.
Yeah, it was definitely a fork. What's this?
Wait till I show the vlog. Guys, if you didn't see it. Hold on. It's not focusing. Like, can you see that? Take a screenshot of that. That bit. So, it's currently 12:20 at night, and me and Isaac were just chilling because we were starving. We tried to order room service, it didn't come. I don't think we did it right, but long story short. And I came outside to see what the weather was doing because a thunderstorm was forecast. We thought it was going to come in earlier. And I saw a flash and I was like convinced that it was lightning. I came back out again and there was another one, so I got Isaac to come out. And it's now coming at us fast. You need to post that on Facebook. Oh. And it was sheet lightning and now it's turned into fork. It's actually quite scary. Is that quite dangerous?
Can be, yeah. So
we're just, Isaac loves storms, so we're sitting out here watching. Is it weird that it's not raining though? Can you hear that? This is crazy. I've never seen lightning like this in my life before. Oh man. I'm glad I've got my glasses on. I'll update you if anything else happens. Oh my goodness. It's been 1:30.
I fucking missed that as well.
Did you?
Nah, because I fucking put my...
It's our second last day. It's quite bright now actually. And we woke up to really bad thunderstorms. it's currently, I think it's like 1 o'clock or something, half 1, and it's still raining. It's sort of cleaning up over there though, which is good, but we've more or less been confined to our room for the whole day because it's been so bad. We've been for our lunch and breakfast. But yeah, I think we're gonna just brave the rain and go for a walk in a bit because we're bored. So, kinda sucks on the second last day, but I guess it is what it is. The thunder and lightning was meant to all put in some clips, so you can see it. It's definitely dried up a little bit, I guess, but oh my gosh. Why am I finding it so difficult to see? It's like not even that bright, but yeah, it's brightened up a little, and the eyes are snapping, and I'm just sitting on the balcony reading my book on my iPad. I'm reading the Bridgerton books actually. I just finished the first one, I've just started the second one. I kinda know what happens obviously from the TV show, but I just wanted to read them, and yeah, they're pretty good I would say. But I don't think we're gonna get much sunbathing done today, to be honest, because it's actually 20 to 4 and it's still really overcast. I'll show you. So there's blue skies over there, but yeah, there's like, I think I've seen something in the sea. I don't know. See, that actually really sucks, to be honest, but I think we're maybe gonna go a walk and yeah, see what happens. Why the lighting in here is terrible. I was just gonna show you my fit, but the lighting sucks. But it's my dress that I wore to Isaac's birthday. We slider sandals on. Also started packing my case. Great. Isaac, let's see your outfit because you look really handsome. No. Do a dramatic turn round then. Yeah. Oh my gosh, you look miserable. It's raining again. Okay, I'm also not getting a fucking kiss now, no. Hi guys, it's our last day. I'm quite sad about it, I'm not gonna lie. It fucking sucks. I don't want to leave here. I love it here so much, but the sun is out finally, thank God. I can't see jack shit. Hold on, I'm gonna put my sunglasses on. The sun is out. And we were up late last night drinking with a couple we've met and playing Uno, so that was funny. But we're just gonna go a little walk this morning for Isaac to get a coffee. Then we're gonna sunbathe all day. And yeah, I'm gonna bring you along, I think. Oh. What did you say? What? You said let's go, little bitch. No, you didn't. This is the view today. Pretty, super happy. Oh, there's folk in the sea. Okay, let's go. Oh, also, yeah, let's go. Isaac, come on. We were on the sea like maybe the second or third day, and Isaac went, ah, shit, fuck, hurt his foot. Figured out like 2 days ago that he potentially has sea urchin stings. So that, okay, you're not taking anything, no. so yeah, he has 2 sea urchin stings in his foot. I don't think they're big ones though, but I was trying to get them out. His skin's like healed over it, so he's gonna need to wait for them to come out or put his foot in warm water.
Or die.
He's convinced he's gonna die. You're not gonna die. Or the hell, there's no one in this. I'll be like, why does my hair do this? Looking slick, Rick.
Oh really? Aye. Hey, like that Irish bunny, like. Aye, wait till you see the vlog.
Yeah. Can we just see it first? What? Guys, look at the size of this yacht. For comparison, look at the boats. Compared to that, that is massive. There's people on it as well. I know what you're like. What, headers? I'd maybe make me last.
You go first, just make contact with me.
Oh, okay. What way should I go? That way?
No, you throw it. I'll throw it to you.
I was never dead! Why were you under the wall like this if you were going to grab me? Well, it was away over here.
We'll get it. I'm not getting fed till I get it.
We're getting fed. Oh!
Wait on the boards.
No, hold on.
Oh
my God!
Emma, stick it right there.
Right there. What? Don't hit the bottom. Guys, this is the little outfit for tonight. It's a little maxi dress. I mean, I feel like I don't have the body for it, but whatever. But yeah, I was gonna wear my wedgies, but we're walking out to dinner and it's got the little cowl neck. Like, look at that, I look fucking pregnant. I promise I'm not. Look, I'm not. But yeah, I have this on and I can't believe it. It's been cloudy. It's been cloudy all day today and now the sun comes out. Like, what's that all about? So I'm raging. But I've put, look at that glow. Oh my god, love that glow. I put on the iconic London that spray stuff. So yeah. Oh well. Oh, my battery's also going down. I'm going to charge that. I'll use Isaac's phone. It's fine. There's another can. What's the end of the night? We went for dinner. Food was good, wasn't it? We had a few drinks with Owen and Emma. And I think it's like 12:30 and we're just back. And we need to get up at 7 because we're getting picked up at 8:30 to go. Oh, our face is really red. To go to the airport. I'm sad. Are you sad?
No.
Why are you not sad?
To get to the dog.
Yeah, we were excited to see us, obviously. But I just love this place so much and I don't want to leave. Sad times. It's cute. Pretty cute. Anyway, we're gonna get some soup. See you later.
Peace out, motherfuckers.